I think the future is really promising for the creative industries. So the creative sector in Wales, the number of people working in the creative sector has doubled over the last 10 years, and Cardiff has been very much at the centre of that growth. So today's conditions are very good and very strong. We've got a lot of new businesses here. You've got BBC, you've got S4C, you've got ITV as broadcasters. You've got a host of independent production companies and facilities, houses, and you've got an ever strengthening and growing freelance community as well. So I think the future is very promising. We're in a very good position already. I think outside of London, Cardiff's seen the biggest growth in digital production and digital content creation. So we're a major player, we're a national hub for creative and digital production. So I think the conditions are very good. Because we've been able to invest in the new facilities in Central Square, working in partnership with Cardiff Council, that's actually been the trigger for a much wider economic development around that central part of Cardiff. That regeneration of that area will deliver around 1.1 billion of added economic value and around 1,900 jobs. So it works for our business. I think it works for the city and the wider economy as well. And as I say, to be at the heart of the creative industries in this part of Cardiff is fantastic for us. So there's a lot of activity here already. There's a very strong workforce here already. Our skills, we tend to specialise in journalism, in broadcast technology, in digital content creation, in production. And obviously there's a very strong skill base and workforce in those skills. But the creative sector is growing and we're constantly competing for the best skills. So it's a position that we have to work at. And we do that in partnership. So we work in partnership with the Welsh Government, with Cardiff Council, with our wonderful academic institutions, the universities, the colleges of further education. I think Cardiff's a wonderful place to live. There's so much going on in a relatively small area, so everything's accessible. Whether it be sporting events, live events, music, entertainment, restaurants. I think Cardiff's got it all from that point of view. So there's a fantastic urban buzz about Cardiff, but also just a short distance away, you've got the Brecon Beacons, you've got the mountains, you've got this wonderful coastline as well. So I think it's a fantastic place to live.